Did you know you can practice your latte art pouring by using only water? This is going to enable you learn how to hold the cup perfectly and the jug so that you can be able to pour consistently and create a good latte art pattern on your cup of coffee. So you want to be able to make a perfect and consistent latte art pattern on your cup of coffee, whether as a home barista or a barista working in a coffee shop. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the most important key things that you must do as a barista to enable you grow your latte art skill to be able to make a perfect and consistent latte art design. And this is practice. Practicing your latte art skills is the most important key thing that you must do as a barista. You're going to understand the key steps that you need whenever you're making that latte art, how you can hold your jug and cup to enable you make a perfect and consistent latte art. But often many baristas come across a challenge on how they can practice the different latte art design without wasting milk or coffee. This video I'm going to be showing you the items that you can use to substitute your coffee and milk so that you don't have any wastage in your coffee shop or at home, and come up with a good result on how you can make a perfect latte art design. We're going to start with the simple and the easy way that you can practice your latte art skill, and this is by use of water. By using water is an imaginational way of practicing your latte art skill. This is going to enable you understand how much water you're going to pour in your cup so that whenever you're going to use your milk, you understand this is the amount of milk that I need so that I can be able to make a good latte art design. It's also going to help you be able to flex your hand so that you can be able to wiggle and make the different pours of your latte art. If you find this video to be useful, smash the like button so that it can be spread to other people to enable them make a perfect and consistent latte art design.